Hey everyone, it's Karina again, and in our last video I showed you how to download your image. So again, you just go here, you go to download PNG, it's downloaded. Then you're going to go click up here and go to your little folder, click on it, and you're going to find it right there. So next we go to canva.com, and you should already have your free account. So if you haven't done it already, just get a free account at canva.com. And then we're going to go to create a design, custom size, and you're going to click here 2 inches. And you're going to put in 8.5 by 11. That's your standard size paper that you're going to be printing out on. Then you go to uploads, upload file, and get your file. The only reason I have 2 of these is because I did this earlier just to test it. You're going to click here, and it puts it right there in the middle. And you can expand it if you want, like that. Okay? Now, let's say you also wanted to put in a message up here, okay? You go to text, and I'm going to put bubble. Let's see, bubble letters. Okay? And so I'm going to click on bubble, this one. It's going to add it to your picture here, but we're going to click on it and we're going to bring it up here. Okay? So I'm going to put Merry Christmas. Okay? Or you could do Merry Christmas. Let's say your child's name is Kevin or Nancy or whatever it is. And you can have it like that. Now, if you don't like this font, we don't have to use it. We can go here. We could put, we could put Christmas. See what it comes up with. I kind of like this one. All right, so let's click here and then click on it and move it. Now, let's say I didn't want this part here. I could just click there and then click delete on your keyboard. And I could put here, Merry Christmas, right? Now that's really big. So you go here and you just bring down the font until it's the right size. And then if this is too high, I bring this down a little bit. You just click and drag. It's very simple. And let's say I wanted to take this, copy it, and then put it down here. When you copy paste, it puts it back in the same place. So I'm going to take this and go down here, but then I'm going to click here and I'm going to put Kevin. So you can have your child's name down there. And you can drag and drop all of these. Just click and drag, okay? When I say click, you're clicking on your mouse or you're clicking on your keypad on your Mac, however you have yours set up. But everything is drag and drop, okay? Now let's say I wanted to add a splash color for some reason. I can go to Elements and I can put Christmas ornament. And it has some ornaments that you can use, okay? Now, if you're using the free version, I want to let you know, don't click on anything that has a little crown. If you upgrade to Pro, you can obviously use those. But if you have the free version, then you're going to look for something that doesn't have the Pro on it. So you will be able to find some. Let's go to this one. All right, you see this is a little bit large, but I could take it and I could put it here on the tree if I wanted to. This way, you can see you can use this for coloring pages. You could also add a little bit of color to it. You could turn these into cards they can send out. But this is right now, we're talking about coloring pages, so that's what I'm sticking with. And that's how easy it is. Now, once you have this the way you want it, you can download it and you can name it. So first we're going to name it Merry Christmas Kevin. I'm just doing that because that's the name I used. And then go share, download, and you're going to take this and you turn it into a PDF standard. Okay. And then you're going to download. And again, you're going to see it up here in your little download button. And you click here, and there it is. So that's it for the lesson for today.